What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a Jeep Gladiator. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters for your Gladiator if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the left-hand side, we see this latch right here, this dampening latch. What I'm going to do is get my fingers behind here and push it forward or towards the rear of the vehicle. And it pushes forward just a little bit, and then it will pull straight out like that. And then we can let that go. Now we need to fold this glove box down, and what's preventing that from coming down is this stop right here. So what I'm going to do is take my thumb and just push that plastic part up a little bit like this. And as I'm pushing that up, allow the glove box to come down, and it will clear that stop. Now once the glove box is down and we take a look back here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin air filter. And there's these pinch clips on the left-hand side right here that'll just pinch together like that. And then that door will pull off. And now we can see our actual cabin air filter right here. To get this filter out, you'll kind of just need to scrunch it together a little bit to get it to come out of there. And then pull it out like that. And this one actually doesn't need to be replaced yet, but when you put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. And again, to get it in, you're just kind of have to scrunch that side in a little bit. And then slide it in with your airflow arrows pointing down. And then we can go ahead and reverse everything we just did to close it up. So taking a look at this access door, on the left-hand side, there's those pinch clips that we removed. And then on the right-hand side, there's just kind of this tab. And we'll take a look back in here, and you can see that tab fits into that little slot back there, that silver slot. So what I'm going to do is take my door. You're not really going to be able to get a shot of it, but I'm sticking that tab in that notch that we just looked at. And then once you have the right side in that notch, that left side will snap on. And then we can pick our glove box up. And then once it clears that stop, it'll hold itself up. And then we just need to come over here and reattach this latch. So it'll fit in that hole like that. And then push into place like that. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.